Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation, WhatsApp, a learning tool. Now, just a quick background to my project. In this unit, the learners will develop their understanding of how technologies such as WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, and Google Hangouts, etc. can be used to support a virtual cross-cultural experiences via the internet without travel. They will learn a repertoire of opera songs from their overseas counterparts, as well as the science associated with sound waves from human vocals and the present day technology being used for recording and forming virtual choirs. WhatsApp as a tool for learning and communication. The students will interact. The students' interaction will be totally online and begin initially with the use of WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, or Google Hangouts. Thus, for this video, my focus is on WhatsApp as a tool for learning and communication. What is WhatsApp? That's the question. Now, from Wikipedia, we know this is an American freeware cross-platform messaging and voice over IP service owned by Facebook. It allows users to send text messages and voice messages, make voice and video calls, and share images, documents, user location, and other media. Now, how do we carry out lessons over WhatsApp? Now, teachers can create a WhatsApp group. They can establish ground rules, of course, that's necessary for all classes. They can stress the group is strictly for lessons and question and answers. They can prepare lessons using images and audio messages. They can convert lecture slides to image before sharing. They can include short narration or explanation using voice recording. And also they can share short videos for classes, engagements, and so on. They can send PDF, readings for the class. They can give short assessments using WhatsApp. Now, I learned more about the WhatsApp from WhatsApp for teaching or learning as a tool from a slide that I found by a professor at Westchester Community College, Professor Fatma Gailan, and she, went through how she actually uses it for her class: collaboration, negotiation, debating, reviewing, etc., posting, chatting. And this was for an ESL based learning. So, in this class, your students, they kept in touch with classmates and, their teachers, in the group using WhatsApp. And what she noticed was that students' reading and writing skills exceeded their level and also their vocabulary. So, many different teaching and learning situations, you'll find the use of WhatsApp. Now, thank you for viewing my presentation.